Well, we've come to the beach and the skies have just opened up. It is not even 6:30 in the morning, bringing Lucy to her favorite spot, you know, and this is what it is. Now, the Aero Naval boat is out there. They're sitting on board. That's rain out there. You can't see the island today. There's nothing. And it is just coming down. Let's give you a look at those skies. And over yonder, you can see the fishermen just sitting. Big lightning again. Now, you should be able to see Isle of Iguana right now, but you can't. That is some serious rolling thunder. And I see one little hole up in the sky there where the sun may peek through. I'll just show you. Look at that. One little spot. Well, you know, it is the rainy season, so this is what we expect and this is what we get. The Aero Naval boat is leaving. And as you can hear, we're getting some serious thunder. Well, the rain has slowed and you can see everybody's back out. Now here's a funny thing. See the pelicans there? When the guys are bringing out their bait in the buckets, the pelicans will come and try to steal some bait out of the buckets. Very smart, those birds. Going back up, and he's not sure because the fishermen are right there. having a look. So you can see they're bailing out their boats now. One of the things that anybody that has boats in North America, you know that we have what's called a plug in our boats at the back of the transom. These boats do not have that. None of the Pangas have anything like that. You can see it's a workout just to get your boat in the water here. And now there's 3 pelicans there trying to get at the bait buckets. Chasing the pelicans. And they come right back. You know, one of the things that we get here a lot is just tons and tons of driftwood coming in. Just because of the way the currents are. You know, these currents just bring in a ton of wood. As I'm going to show you, you know, logs everywhere. But from time to time, you know, they've got some people that'll come out and they'll start cleaning and look at the piles of wood right there. You know, just people are cleaning stuff up, and I'll just give you another little look. You know, there's still some stuff around, but more piles of it. And it's looking better and better down the beach all the time. You know, sure, there's still lots of it, but it's one of those things, you know, it comes and it goes with the different tides. Just something that, you know, something else I just wanted to show you. Well, you know, it is the rainy season, and we're out here at Bulll Beach with Lucy. It's 6:30 in the morning, and there's a lot of people already getting ready to go to Isle of Iguana and that. And yesterday we had a couple of subscribers from my YouTube channel came, and we had lunch together. So I want to put a big shout out to Mikkel and her husband, and their son is here. And they're going to be here for a little bit. They're looking to make a move down here also. They're just not sure where in Panama they're going to settle. So, you know, that's great that we're seeing a lot of people coming down still. And, you know, the night before that, I talked to Roy and Teresa. Roy and Teresa are coming down. We're going to see them in October. And Roy, you know you were asking about real estate and that, and I did find this one hot property that I know you've looked at it before and you were inquiring about it again. So, you know, it is available, it is ready, and as you can see, there's a lot of lumber that you can do with what you want, you know, put on a spare room or something. And anyways, just a big shout out to Roy and Teresa. So, yeah, that beachfront property, Roy, it is available. So, you know, well, it's one of those things that you get to forge friendships with all these people coming down here and that. And I'm fortunate enough that I think I'm going to become a realtor because I can find properties like this, and you know, they're available and they're not asking a whole lot. So it's just something you might want to consider when you're coming down here. Anyways, see you in a while. I'm on my way right now to Bulll Beach, and there it is right there. It's called Playa Toro, but we all refer to it as Bulll Beach. And apparently the old hotel has been bought
and I'm not exactly sure if it's a hotel in there or anything, but it's been closed down for a long time, and apparently it is going to be open. So I thought I'd take a look, and we'll go down and have a little gander at it. So this is just the road in, and I'll show you soon. So down the road, as you can see, that is Bulll Beach, the ocean and everything. And this is the entrance. Now, I've never ever seen this open before. It's always been locked. The gates have always been closed, and apparently it was a family that owned it. I heard that it's now under new ownership, and we're going to take a walk in and just show you exactly what it is in here. And this is our my first time here. So, you know, you're getting to see it for the first time, same as I am. Just give you a little look. Beautiful looking place. All the grounds have been done. The guy at the pool right now. Probably maintenance. And we'll take another walk. So here I am at poolside, and as you can see, they have a beautiful pool here. Now, I believe this is only open for day use right now. I just talked to the guy that was doing something at the pool, and he speaks no English, which doesn't help me a whole lot because I don't speak a whole lot of Spanish. But as you can see, this is the restaurant. They got it all swept up. We had a fair amount of wind last night. They're doing some finishing touches on this place. And as you can see, like right down there is Bulll Beach. Just fantastic. They've got, it looks like a hot tub. It's covered over. I'm sure that'll be up and operational soon. And as you can see, pretty cool tables and filled with Budweiser. So here are the grounds. Right now, I'm the only one here. There's no one else here. So I'm just gonna take a walk here. And there's a sign here. And as you can see, there's what it says. Talking about the bulls bellowing at the beach. Now, this is a really cool place. They do have some rooms over there. There's the ocean. I'll just kind of pan this in a little bit for you. Spectacular views. Now, I think in my previous videos I've told you, I filmed a little bit of this from the outside. I said, you know, it was kind of in disarray and everything. Well, it's all been cleaned up and everything. It's a beautiful looking spot. So it looks like they've got 4 rooms there. Obviously satellite dishes on the roof. Coconut trees everywhere. And this is just, you know, you guys are going to be some of the first to see inside of here since it's been opened, because I'm the only one here. And we just found out about it because they just put it on the Pedesee Post. So, you know, for all you folks that subscribe to the Pedesee Post that I've told about over the time, you know, take a look and you can see what's going on here. Really a neat place. All the trees have been trimmed back and everything. So of course they have baños, and that looks like it's going to be the bar area, and kitchen and everything in back there. They've got big huge burners and stainless steel and fryers and everything in there. And, you know, this huge thatched roof in case it rains, you know. And sitting during the dry season, you'll be able to sit in here and you won't have the blistering sun beating down on you. So when I tell you, you know, and I always say this, things are on the move here in Petitsie. It's really good to see. Our tourism is hustling and bustling, and we're all enjoying it. And it's a very quiet morning here. And I would imagine by this time next week, and I'll maybe come back down here and show you when there's a whole pile of people around. So there it is. Beautiful pool. There's the pool. Beautiful pool. Anyway, see you soon. Okay, so one of the other things is I'm going to show you is over across this field. There is a place that has just also been built. It hasn't been up very long. They just finally finished it. And they are also rooms in that for rent, which, you know, is probably about 300 meters from the ocean, 400 meters from the ocean, and that's also another new, looks like it's a motel, and they've got people up there on the balcony I can see, and yeah, just one of the things. When I tell you things are always happening here in Petitsie, this is becoming one of the tourist hotspots of Panama. You know, and I don't say that lightly. You can go anywhere in Panama. You know, Panama's a beautiful country, but when you come to Petitsie, you'll see why we attract so many people. Whether you're an expat that's moving down here looking for somewhere to rent, or if you're looking for a house to buy, this seems to be the hot spot of Panama. We've had a lot of people right now that I'm noticing are coming, that I've been talking to actually, and they're from Boquete in Volcan area, you know, and they're realizing too, Petitsie is the diamond in the rough. Well, I'll tell you what, it's not so much in the rough anymore. Anyways, I know you don't want to hear me going on and on about it, but this place is absolutely, truly spectacular, and you know, I can never say enough good things about Petitsie, Panama. Well, that's it. It's another week gone by. You know, time flies when you're having fun down here. So anyways, remember, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.